Learn to read and load files for the Bosch ME9.7 box using boot mode. Open the box and connect mainboard pins and 907. This is the combination code, Portsmouth E907, to read the part of this box. You have to read through boot mode, or in other words, you will open this box. We line up the legs on the main board. Then we use method 3 to read. Here I have an edition M6 card, which is marked 1444300 T104. Now I will proceed to connect the pins, and then I will perform the process of reading and loading files for you to see. After opening the box, this is the inside of the main board of the ME907 box. To save time, I have already prepared it. Here, I have connected the pins, which are similar to this image. I will share with you how to load the file for the Bosch ME9.7 through boot mode. In the previous video, I read a bitcube file, and now this video will show how to load the file into that box. To load the file, you just go to Write Bitcube. There will be two cases. 1. If you want to load only the last file, you check Last and write here. If you want to load the micro file, you check Micro and select Write. If you want to load the Chrome file, you check Chrome and select Write. In this case, I will load a bitcube file that contains all three files. In the previous video, I read the bitcube, and now I will proceed to load it. Select Drive Bitcube. Then we will choose a new location to save the file, like desktop. Here are the files that I read in the previous video. The bitcube file. If I select Drive Bitcube, we will choose the bitcube file, which has been compressed and contains all three remaining files. If I want to load the LAT file, we choose the file with the .flx extension. If we only want to load the EPROM file, we choose the EPR file. Conversely, if we want to load the MyRow file, we select the MPC file. Okay, check the backup file. We pay attention to the status of the Azure on, key on, power, data. During the file loading process, please note that it is loading the microfile first. It will write the settings for this microfile. Next, it will write the flash file. The flash file has more settings than the microfile. It usually contains MAC addresses or calibration files within the MAC. Then, we continue to load the EPROM file. Okay, so our file loading process is successful. Operation complete. We will re-identify the box information. The file loading process is that simple. It only takes about 2 minutes to load all three files, micro, flop, and EPROM, through Write Backup. I hope this video can help you easily read and load files for the ME9.7 board. Goodbye everyone, and see you in the next videos. And make it easier for us to read the files of the ME9.7 box. Thank you, goodbye, and see you again.